Hello, myself is Vinayak again from CSC Department 8th B section. Today I am here to present a technical seminar on teacher-student knowledge distillation under the guidance of Dr. Anuradha SG. These are the contents. Introduction. Neural models in recent years have been successful in almost every field, including extreme complex problem statements. However, these models are huge in size, with millions and billions of parameters, and thus cannot be deployed on edge devices. Knowledge distillation refers to the idea of model comparison by teaching a smaller network step by step exactly what to do using a bigger already trained network. This soft labels refers to the output features maps by the bigger network. After every convolution layer, the smaller network is then trained to learn the exact behavior of the bigger network by trying to replicate its output at every level. How is this different from training a model from scratch? Obviously, with more complex models, the theoretical search space is large than that of a smaller network. However, if we assume that the same convergence can be achieved using a smaller network, then the convergence space of a teacher network should overlap with the solution space of the student network. Unfortunately, that alone does not guarantee convergence for the student network at the same location. The student network can have a convergence which might be hugely different from that of the teacher network. However, if a student network is guided to replicate the behavior of the teacher network, it is expected to have its convergence space overlapping with the original teacher network convergence space. How do they exactly work? Train the teacher network. The highly complex teacher network is first trained separately using the complete dataset. This step requires high computational performance and thus can only be done offline. Establish correspondence. While designing a student network, a correspondence needs to be established between intermediate outputs of the student network and the teacher network. This correspondence can involve directly passing the output of a layer in the teacher network to the student network, or performing some data augmentation before passing it to the student network. Forward passing through the teacher network. Pass the data through the teacher network to get all intermediate outputs and then apply the data augmentation to the same. Back propagation through the student network. Now use the outputs from the teacher network and the corresponding relation to the back proportional error in the student network so that the student network can learn to replicate the behavior of the teacher network. System architecture. Here, the teacher neural network is already pre-trained and the student neural network is a small distributed model. Both the distributed model will take the same input and go through the layers convolution layer. What is soft matrix? Soft matrix is nothing but whatever the output is generated by the model are converted between zeros and ones so that it can be predicted easily. What is distillation loss? The difference between the teacher network and the student network is called the distillation loss. What is student loss? It is the difference between the prediction and the ground truth. Benefits of knowledge distillation can be deployed at the edge. Knowledge distillation, a student model inherits better quality from the teacher and is more efficient for interfering due to its compactness needing less computational resources. Improves generalization. The teacher produces soft targets for training the student model. Soft targets have high entropy, providing more information than one hot encoded hard target. Soft targets have less variance in the gradient between training cases allowing students network to be trained on much lesser data than the teacher using a much higher learning rate. Challenges. Knowledge distillation is limited to classification tasks that use a soft matrix layer. Sometimes the assumptions are too strict, since as in fitness, where student model may not suit constrained deployments or environment. Other approaches to model comparison may therefore be preferred over knowledge distillation. In some domains, such as healthcare, DNNs are not preferred. Decision trees are preferred since their predictions can be more easily interrupted. Knowledge distillation has been used to distill deep neural networks into decision tree and thereby providing good performance and interruptibility. Conclusion. Knowledge distillation is a model agnostic comparison technique that extracts the knowledge from a large cumbersome teacher model and passes it on the smaller student model. The knowledge distillation model uses soft targets and has less training, and interference time has been highly accurate than the large cumbersome teacher model. These are the references. Thank you.